Alright, in this video I'm going to quickly show you how you can use the iMovie app on your iPad. The first thing I'd recommend doing is taking all the pictures that you want and recording all the video that you want and not going into iMovie until you are ready to do the final product. So obviously you first need to find the iMovie icon. Go ahead and open up the app. When the app opens, you'll see here these are 7 movies and trailers that I've created in my particular app. But on the top right hand corner you're going to see a little plus sign. You're going to click on that, and iMovie wants to know, do you want to make a movie or do you want to make a trailer? I'm going to show you the movie component. So you click on movie. First thing here is iMovie wants to know, well, what type of background do you want, or theme do you want, rather. So I'm going to choose simple. You could hit play to see what it would look like, but I'm going to go ahead and select that due to time. So I'm going to hit create movie right here on the top right hand corner. Then this is the actual interface to iMovie. You're going to see at the bottom, this is where your videos are going to show up for the actual project. These are all the videos that you have that are on your particular iPad. And you'll notice up in the top left, it does tell you that you can tap the camera icon to actually record in the app. But I already have the videos that I want. So what I'm going to do, you'll see that I'm on video right now. It's in bold. I'm going to say, you know what? I want to click on that video. You could choose to play it to see what it looks like, but I already know what it looks like, so I'm going to download it. Hit the drop down arrow, and it's going to put it in the project, my actual project. And you'll see that as I'm scrolling, my video changes. Okay, I'm going to do another video. It's very easy. I'm going to add it to the end. I'm going to click on this one, and I'm going to say download it. Okay, so now I have 2 videos that are in my actual project. If I wanted a picture, I would just go ahead and click on photos. I would say from the camera roll, and let's say we want this bulldog. Okay, and we'll go back to videos there. All right, so I have, if you could think about it, I have a video, another video, and a picture. Now I can easily move the different components. I could say, you know what, I want to move this photo in between the 2 videos. It's just a click or hold down and drag. If I change my mind, again, I just hold down and I go ahead and drag it. Okay, now it's very easy to get rid of things. So let's say I want this picture also. But let's say I change my mind and I no longer want this video. It's very easy. You just click, hold it, and then release it and drag it out, and it will trash it. So that's how you actually get rid of something that you've included. Okay. The transitions, you'll see that these are little transition icons. If you click on that, you can change down at the very bottom here where my finger is. You can change for how you want it to appear. But now if I want to edit this actual clip, one way, if I want to cut things out from either end, so let's say I want to cut this short because, or make it shorter, I just hold down and I just drag this in. And as I'm dragging, it's taking out the video from the end. Okay. And I can do the same thing way on the other side here. I can click and drag it in. Okay. If I want to change the, if I actually select video, at the very bottom here where my fingertip is, bottom left, if I click on video, I have some options. If I click on title, I can have an opening title. And I can go ahead and select the text that I want to include right there. All right, that's one option, or I can have it show up in the middle or in closing. Okay. I have that option. I can duplicate things right here on the bottom right. So you can do many different things with a particular clip. If I click audio, I can also change. If you notice, the audio is getting louder. All right, so it's always at 100%, but if you want to shrink that, you can do that by just dragging this, and it affects the whole clip. So that's important to know. Let's say you want to add an actual video behind it, or not video, audio. what you can do is you can come up here to the top right and click on audio, and you can pop in a song that you have on the iPad. You can say drag it down, and now I have this green bar down here will play that song throughout the whole background. If I don't want it to be very loud, again, click on it and just drag it down or make it really loud. That's up to you. You obviously don't want sound to overpower the background or to overpower the actual video. Okay, so that's how you add audio to the file. In terms of pictures, you can determine, if I select on the picture itself, you can determine right here, pinch to position the start. Right, so I can move that a little bit, and I can move to where I want it to end. Okay, so you do have that flexibility as well. So it's very easy to add content. It's very easy to manipulate things, cut certain clips out in your particular video. Last piece, if you want to actually then export it. All right, if let's say you're done working or you're actually finished, if you click on there's a little arrow here on the top left to go back. If I click on that, it'll bring you back to the screen that's outside of the editing, and you have a couple options here. You can play the video right here to see what it will be like in full screen. You can also, this button right here, you can export it. So if I hit export, this would be when you're completely done. If you have a YouTube account or channel, you can upload it that way. Or you can save the video to your actual iPad so that it can be watched later at a later time. Or if you made a mistake, you just go ahead and hit the trash can, and that'll delete the product altogether. But if you're coming back into this app another time to be able to edit your project, you just click on the actual project and click on it again, and that'll get you back into the editing mode so that you can work on your project. Just know that iMovie does autosave, so everything that you do will in fact be there for the next time that you need to work on the actual project. Good luck with your movie making.